Most people don't even know their cars can do certain things because there are certain features your car has that you have never discovered. Why? Because you have never opened your owner's manual.
You don't know why it's going on.
It's always chilling in the glove box. Most cars in Nigeria has their owner's manual chilling in the glove box from the beginning of his life to the end of his life, and nobody's going to open it.
Really?
I won't say Nigeria, but 70% of people generally are very poor reading culture. The owner's manual is a very important book to a car owner because it contains specific instructions, specific requirements, and specific details about your car. They require specific oil for your engine and the type of fuses. So many things and details to discover from an owner's manual. But Nigerians will never open it. So if you are seeing this video, why not just pick up your car owner's manual and browse through it? Trust me, you discover something new. And there are certain things that even happen with your car that would require just an easy fix, but because you have never opened the owner's manual, you don't even know what those things are, you tend to waste your money and time with a specific auto electrician or car electrician and all. So you're welcome.